In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a video to your Weebly website. Open your browser and go to weebly.com, then log into your account. From your dashboard, select your website and click Edit Site to open the editor. Once you're inside the editor, make sure you're on the Build tab. On the left side, scroll through the elements and find the video or HD video element. Drag and drop the video element onto your page where you want it to appear. Then click on the element and choose Upload Video to select a file from your computer. Wait for the upload to finish and your video will appear on the page. If you're using the HD video element, keep in mind that it may require a paid plan. When you're done, click Publish to make your video live on your website. That's how to add a video to a Weebly website. Thanks for watching.